Hi guys, Sandra here. Now today I'm going to be giving you guys an update on the birds. I don't think you guys have really seen all of them lately, and we did get new ones. We went to a farm where there was a couple, and they were selling silkies, and I think it's pronounced, the cat's over there catching a bug, it's funny, Mille Fleur chicks, super fancy chicks. And of course we took Emma. And the couple just loved her and could not tell her no. So she got a baby duck. And the mom, they gave it to us. And we were telling them about how our duck was trying to hatch eggs. And the raccoon got in and stole all of our eggs. But two, I wasn't sure if they were going to hatch. They gave us 2 more eggs to put underneath her. She has been trying really, really hard to get... Doing it again. Show you guys. His head too, over there. And of course, I'm gonna turn the camera over. He like stops jumping around, or she, I think it's she. Oh, there she goes. It's acting crazy. But anyways, back to the birds. I want to show you how big the baby geese got, the crested duck, pom-pom, and all the other chickens that we have gotten from other people. So, let's go check them out. They're in the cage. I'm gonna let them out. We let them free roam until they're quite upset with me. Hey guys! Coco! 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 Coming up here. Coco! This is Coco. She has the crooked beak. Try to feed her by herself with special food. But here, look how big. I think one's a male and one is a female. Look how big they are. Come on, guys. Oh, got scared. Pterodactyl. The baby ones have just gotten so big. There's Pom-Pom over there with his little puffball. Nothing in there, Coco. This is your food. Okay. So usually our chicken coop is not this wet, but it stormed last night and everything was flooded. There's the 2 ducks. The brown one has just been trying super hard to hatch out baby eggs, and she just hasn't had any luck. So hopefully those 2 will hatch out. I have been leaving some banty chicken eggs underneath there to see if she can hatch those. So I will let you guys know what happens. And this is the new duck, our new addition with the baby. She is just super scared. I don't want to scare her too much, but the baby is right behind her. She just like hasn't came out of this yet. She's been here a couple days, so hopefully she starts coming out and being social. like barely see the bottom of the baby duck. But she, or he, is in there. There you go, guys. They might be a little spoiled. Okay. Now, let's go check on the quail and the new baby chicks that we got. We did get some younger quail from them. This is where we keep our quail. And we put the little baby chicks in here for now. The 3 brown ones are the Millet Fleur. I always feel like I need to say it in a French accent. And then we have 4 silky chickens in here. The smallest one, Emma, has named Mr. Fuzz. To me, it's just like some new rap guy's name. Fuzz. Identity issues. You can see them back there. They're so freaking cute. You can see the bigger ones. They just look like a hot mess. And I have been getting eggs. I've only been getting 2 eggs a day. And it's after... You're noisy. You're noisy. And it's been after 4 o'clock in the evening. They lay in the evening. Give you guys some more food. That's their call. They have the weirdest call I've ever heard. The quail do. I didn't even know that they crowed like that. I was out here one day and I was like, what in the world is that? So hopefully the new quail will be laying soon that the guy gave me. And I thought I had 3 females that were big enough to lay and 2 males that we had kept, but I'm not sure. It's sort of hard to tell with the different colored quail. I think they're back there. The ones that are like light colored, really hard to tell. And I tried sexing them, but apparently I'm not very good at that either. There's the oldest Silky. Pretty sure that's a hen. It's Chocolate. I see Diamond over there. Pterodactyl. A little bit. The other little one was called Little. S-H-I-T. But my kids call it Marshmallow. Because you know. No cussing for little kids. Funko. The Silky Rooster. We have Roberta. Somewhere. They've all taken off. Who knows where they're at. Oh. Nope, that's the cats. We have cats. Mira is down there. Mira and Fuzzhead. Hey guys. They sort of let me pet them, but then again they're like, no. But they're super friendly geese. We have Daffy and Donald over here. Which we ended up with a lot of male ducks, so we probably will be getting rid of one of those. The green-headed one doesn't like pterodactyl too much. So he's probably gonna have to be supper for one day. There's Diamond over here. She is super pretty. What is he doing? He was like taking off to fight. This is their go-to spot to hide. So, if you guys have any questions, let me know. We are going to be starting a new chicken coop, and I'm super excited. My father-in-law is helping, which I'm super grateful for. Without my in-laws, I don't know what I would do. And I hope you guys know that I appreciate you guys so much. Say bye, Titan. Till the next one.